Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this one for a smith and this phone. It isn't very hard, but okay. Let's start with the smithing thing. Okay, these are the parts you will be needing. 2 dots, 1 thing, 1 tube, and 1 special part. 1 dot on one side, on the other side another dot. Let's begin. Shall we? Take a dot, take the special part, like this. Take the tube, this, a dot, and like this. Oh, and it's finished for this smith over here. I'm making a nice weapon. Who cares? Okay, now how to make this nice phone. Just simply take these items, first one like this. Grab part, the phone itself, and this very special. First, you need this special part, put it on there, take the grab thing, and the phone itself, like this. Your phone is ready. Phone call? Oh, poop. Hello. No, I'm smithing right now. I'll call you back later.